you are good at your places. I am Kanchan Kanpal, your maths teacher. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 13, the longest steps. The longest steps. In this chapter we will learn about that how we measure the objects. So in older days there was no equipment as we are having right now. So people use their hands and feet and fingers to measure the object, measure an object's length. So the first thing they use first is hand span. Our first is hand span. Hand span is this. This is your one hand span. Okay, if you measure something with your hand like this is now we will measure the length of this board by using hand span. So this is 1, 2, 3. So the length of this board is 3 hand span. The length of this board is 3 hand span. Now the second one is fingers. So now we will measure the length of this board by using fingers. So let's see. In one hand, how many fingers are there? 5. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 times we have done means 8 fives are, because in one hand 5 fingers are there. 8 fives are 40. So this board is 40 fingers long. This board is 40 fingers long. Now we will see the length of this board by using cubit. By using cubit. So let's see. Cubit is this. One arm is known as cubit. So this is 1. Here 1. And this is 2. So this board is 2 cubit. This board is 2 cubit. Earlier people they were not having measuring equipments. That is why they were using their hands, fingers and feet to measuring the length of an object. But none of these units are standard units, because it varies from person to person, because each and every person they are having different body shape. If I am having long hand, that doesn't mean that everybody is having the same size of this hand. So that is why these all are not standard unit. Now to measure the accurate length of an object, there is devices to measure the length. So some units and devices are there to measure the length of an object. So if we have to measure the length of some object, we use ruler or inch tape. So we use these objects to measure the length of an object. And units to measure the length of an object are meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. So meter we use for is denoted as m. Meter is used to measure the distance between ruler and an object. Centimeter is denoted as cm. Centimeter is used to measure the length of a small object. Like of the length is kilometer. The biggest unit of the length is kilometer. To measure long distance we use kilometers. Like if you will measure from your home to your school, you will measure these distance in kilometers. 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. Now I will measure the length of these objects to know this better. So first I have made this chart. Here I have written some object, and here I will write the length of these object, and the length will be in centimeter. All the objects length will be in centimeter. And how I will measure the length of these objects? By using, what is this? Have you seen this? Yes, this is a ruler. This is a ruler. Okay, we use this ruler to measure the length of an object. किसी भी चीज की अगर हमें length पता करनी है तो we use ruler. So the first object is our pen. Our first object is pen. So we will take a pen. Here is a pen, as you can see, and I will put this pen on 0 point. Here you can see here 0 is there. So you will put the end of the pen on 0 point, and now we will see on which number it is going. Yes, the number is 14. The length of this pen is 14 centimeter. So here I will write 14. The length of this pen is 14 centimeter. Now we will move to our next object. This next object is everyone's favorite, mobile. Nowadays it is very essential. Okay, so we will measure the length of a mobile by using same ruler. Now I will measure the length of this mobile. I will put the end of this mobile on 0 point, and now I will see here where it ends on which number? 11. So the length of this mobile is 11 centimeter. The length of this mobile is 11 centimeter. Now our next object is Fevicol. Our next object is Fevicol. You must have seen this bottle at your home also. So what we will do? We will measure the length of this bottle by using ruler. So again I will put this bottle on 0 point. Now I will see the length of this bottle is 15 centimeter. The length of this bottle is 15 centimeter. You have to see the number. Can you please tell me, out of these objects, which is the tallest one? Which object is the tallest one? Is it pen? Is it mobile? Or is it Fevicol? Yes, the longest object is our Fevicol. The bottle of Fevicol is our longest object. ये सबसे बड़ा object है.